औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 145 वला इन अतैतल्लज़ीना उतुल किताबा बिकुल्ला आयतिम मा तबअु क़िबलतका वमा अंता बिताबिउन क़िबलतहुम वमा बादुहुम बिताबिउ क़िबलता बाद वला इन अत्तबअत अहवाअहुम मिन बादि मा जाअका मिनल इल्मि इन्नका इज़्ज़न लमिनज़ ज़ालिमीन. And even if you bring to those who were given the scripture even sign, they would not follow your qibla, nor will you be follow of their qibla, nor would they be follower of one's own another qibla. So if you were to follow their desire after what has come to you of knowledge, indeed you would then be among the wrongdoer. Word to word translation: Wala in, and if ataita, you brought, allazina, those who, utu, were given, al-kitaba, the scripture, bikulli, every, ayatin, sign, ma, they would not, taba'u, follow, qiblataka, your qibla, wama, and not, anta, you, bitabi'un, be a follower, qiblatahum, their qibla, wama, and not, ba'duhum, some of them, bitabi'un, be a follower, qiblata, qibla, badun, of others, wala in, and if, attaba'ta, you follow, of ahwa'ahum, their desire, man, after, bad, what, ma, has come, ja'aka, to you, min, of, al-ilm, the knowledge, innaka, indeed you, iza, then, liman, would be among az-zalimin, the wrongdoers. Explanation: this verse highlight the intransigencies of the people of both Jewish and Christian regarding the Qibla. It states that even if the Prophet Muhammad were to show them every sign, they would still not follow his Qibla. This underscores the depth of their adherence to their own traditions and their unwillingness to accept the Prophet guidance. Furthermore, the verse make it clear that Prophet will not follow their Qibla, and even among the people of the book there is no consensus on a single direction of prayer. They do not follow each other Qibla. This highlights the disunity and diversity of their religion practice. The verse also serves as a stern warning to the Prophet and the believers. It warned them not to follow the desire of the people of the book after having received clear knowledge from Allah. Doing so would consider a great wrongdoing, emphasizing the importance of adhering to divine guidance rather than succumbing to external pressure of desire. Reason for the revelation of this verse was revealed in the context of the changing of Qibla from Jerusalem to Makkah. When this change occurred, it led to objections and resistance from the Jews and Christians of that time. They questioned the validity of the new direction and insisted on their own tradition. Allah revealed this verse to make it clear that this refusal to accept the new Qibla were not due to lack of evidence or sign, but was rooted in the stubbornness and unwillingness to follow the truth. The verse served as a reassurance to the Muslim that the change of Qibla is a divine command and a test of true faith, urging them to remain steadfast and not to be swayed by the objections of others.